What's up, my pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence here. Excited to share with you guys a really robust case from the folks at Poetic. This is their Guardian case that provides Magsafe utilization. It is a full enclosure here. It also has the option here, if you've got a screen protector, to be able to have the open screen as well. Before we jump into it though, the folks at Poetic did send this to me complimentary and sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing availability. Make sure you check that out here during the holidays, as you've got a good deal for that. With that said, let's unbox this, show you how to set it up here and get what you're getting yourself into. Unboxing is super straightforward. I really like it. They make it out of materials here that are recyclable, so make sure and be cognizant of that. They've got two different options here. They've got the full enclosure, which provides you that scratch protection on the screen, or if you've got your own screen protector here, you're going to bring on this bumper that's going to still allow you to clamp into it here and have that option. We'll show you what you're getting yourself into. Coming up close here, as you can see, you've got this plastic lining here to be able to provide you touch availability, but also scratch protection here. You've also got the really high quality Guardian case, which is clear, which is non-yellowing, and it also has Magsafe. I really like this because it's made out of a sturdy construction, polycarbonate and silicone and materials here to be ergonomic to grip, but also act as insulation here. As you can see, there's grooves on the inside that provide you that protection and shockproof protection as well. With that said, it's pretty straightforward here to be able to mount to your phone. Again, I've got a screen protector, so we're gonna go ahead and opt into this bumper here. It just slaps right on, which is really easy, and then you go ahead and you wrap the clamshell case down from the bottom to the top, and it kind of grips into all of the grooves, giving you a seamless and flush grip. Here we go. As you can see, you've got the polycarbonate and the silicone that are kind of married together here at the seam. It does make for a little bit thicker, so this is probably going to give you an 1/8 inch total, but it is going to be able to protect your backside. I love this backside here, speaking of which, because I can still see the yellow that I opted into. You've got clean protection for the camera bump and the MagSafe utilization, which is great. You've got a nice little dust resistance flap there for the port, and then obviously you've got the same thing on the other side for your mute switch and your volume rocker and power button, which is nice. I like that. This is full MagSafe capability here, so if you wanted to use something like this portable charger from the folks at Anker, it just slaps right on there, 5,000 milliamps. It's gonna give you more than a full charge here. You also have the ability here to be able to plug on the backside, which is nice. I've got this content creation device. This is the SnapGrip from the folks at ShiftCam. This is a nice way here to be able to do TikTok if you wanted to have you know, obviously content creation, vlogs and stuff. You got a shutter button, which is great. You got this cool selfie stick, charging here. You've got a tripod mount, all these really cool, robust options here to be able to opt into with this really cool Guardian case. Lastly, if you want to throw something on your desk here, if you want to have like this 3-in-1, this is nice to have here. It snaps right on there. You can put your Apple Watch, you can even put your AirPods. This also acts as like a stand desk buddy, where you can kind of set it on your desk here, in your studio, in the office, and still be able to look at your content, scroll through, and all that good stuff. Ultimately, I think the Guardian is one of the best cases here from the folks at Poetic. I really like how it's this full enclosure here. You have the option to obviously opt into the one that has your screen protector, but it's just a nice all-around ergonomic case here, drop grade protection, and it's really sleek in the hand. With that said, the folks at Poetic did sponsor this video. Down below in the links in the description will be the product pricing and availability. I think this is certainly something you should consider. Give it to a loved one, have it to protect you, especially during the holidays. This is Andy with Tech Influence. Thanks so much for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.